Ona thengia ya arutwo a kirathi gia form 1 guthi na mbere na kuingira mathukuru-ini kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giki. Minista wa ugitiri wa thi-ini na uria urugamiiriire mathomo kwa hinda riri Fred Matiang'i nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria kaunti ya Mombasa ikoretwo ikiamukira namba nini ya arutwo acio ihinda-ini riu ria kiumia kimwe. Kuria augiite aciari aria ciana ciao ciititwo mathukuru-ini ma gicua-ini ni mongereirwo nginyagia muthia wa kiumia turorete.
Please do barazas and everything else, and PS, I am willing to suggest that we can open up the reporting date for Coast Province by another 1 week until Friday next week to be sure that we get the children to school. Kike and your team, move around. Let's make sure that we get these kids to school. It's very important that we get our children to school. We are not going to talk about marginalization and discrimination forever.
Ona kuhana uguo niokirire mathukuru maria makoretwo makirihia ciana iria cinukaga irio akiuga gutire marihi mangi murutwo agirirwo ni gukorwo akirihio o tiga maria marugamiiriirwo ni thirikari.
I asked PS Kipsang to avail the circular that outlines the expenditures for schools and the fees. Every county commissioner should have that. Every regional commissioner should have that. Walk into a school.
Matiang'i ni augite mathukuru mothe mari ma thirikari na mari ma andu kiumbe bathi ciao no nginyagia ikorwo ihakitwo rangi wa ngoikoni kuringana na mutaratara wa Ministry ya githomo kungigakinyaniria tariki 30 mweri-ini wa gatatu na akoria abitha a ugitiri gutigirira gutire ngari ona imwe ya thukuru iriumagira barabara-ini mbere ya thinacara cia kiroko kana thutha wa thinacara cia hwaini.
We have an enactment, we have a law in place that Parliament enacted in 2016 on the color of school buses, which we have been playing games about. So, 30th of March is the last day. Any school bus will have another color other than the one prescribed by the law. They all have to be yellow, as prescribed by the law. And for the national administration colleagues who are here, the movement of school buses is 6 to 6. Work with your police teams to ensure that is enforced. At another time when we are going to meet with the police, we are going to issue out our new plan on how we are going to manage the traffic police. And you will see that we have given it some thought. I said the movement of school buses must be restricted as provided for by the law between 6 and 6. We will not have our children on the roads, later than 6 o'clock.
Matiang'i ekwaragia giikaro-ini na county commissioners hamwe na arugamiiriria a githomo kuma county ciothe 47 ciumeigiritwo thutha wa mathukuru gucokereria. Girifo Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.